Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. I hope that you all are perfectly fine. In this video, we all are going to discuss about how to fix Whirlpool microwave not heating and making noise. So without any further ado, let's dig into the video. If your microwave is making noises, then first identify the source. If the noise is a buzzing or humming sound, it could be related to the magnetron or high voltage capacitor. If you hear a loud buzzing and clicking, then the magnetron may be faulty. This part generates microwave energy and may need to replace with the new one. Before that, make sure to check diode. A buzzing noise could indicate a failure diode. Do check it with a multimeter for continuity. Moving ahead, ensure the turntable and roller ring are properly positioned and not causing noise. If you can't find any problem, then do consult with the consultation and professional technician. If you are looking for microwave not heating, then do check the video only uploaded for this problem on the same Geo Statology channel. So, I hope this is going to be informative for you and you will get the solution of your problems. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more such informative videos, and do share with your friends, family and relatives. So thank you, bye-bye and have a great day.